Hello friends. Welcome back to Share. This is a new tutorial about how to fix the iPhone 8 unavailable with the 4 best methods. As you can see, now my iPhone 8 is in an unavailable statement. Method 1. Erase the iPhone. With this method, we don't need to get back the passcode. Just make sure your iPhone 8 are on iOS 15.2 or later. And I have to connect cellular or Wi-Fi network. Apple ID is needed too. Then we keep entering the passcode. About 7 times failures. We will see the Erase iPhone option show up in the bottom right corner. Go ahead and tap on it. It says my iPhone is in security lockout. I can try my passcode later or erase it now. Let's proceed with the erase. Enter the Apple ID password. And then the erase process will begin. Once done, we can set it up as a new device. If the Erase iPhone option is not working. Method 2. Erase iPhone 8 and Find My. This method is a wireless option. Open iCloud.com or use the app version on the iPhone. Once signed the Apple ID, we can go to Find iPhone. Select the model of the iPhone device list. Then go ahead to erase it. We need to enter the Apple ID password and customize a few settings. Then the erase should begin. When it's done, it will get to the startup screen. What if you forget the Apple ID password? Method 3. Restoring iPhone by iTunes. At first, we need a lighting cable. Connect the iPhone 8 to PC. Then open iTunes. Put the phone into recovery mode. Then continue with the Restore option. After downloading the firmware, iTunes will start the restore. This method finally brings your phone to the very beginning. Next, I will introduce a more convenient method than iTunes. Method 4. Lock iPhone with forward key. Plug the iPhone 8 to computer. Install and open forward key. I have put the free download link in the video description. Click Start, click Next. We'll get a recovery mode guide for all devices. And follow these steps here to enter recovery mode. For iPhone 8 or later, press and quickly release volume up and down buttons successively. Then press and hold the side button until the recovery mode screen shows up. All we have to do is click the download button. Forward key will download the firmware. And then, we can start removing. Okay, now it shows the hello screen. The screen lock was removed successfully. Thanks for watching. If this video is helpful, don't forget to subscribe our channel and thumbs up. See you next time.